I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the Xfinity X1 or Flex interface. Press the Xfinity button on your remote and go straight to Live TV. Once done, select a main channel to anchor the view because the system needs a primary stream. Make sure your box has the latest firmware and that your account supports Multiview, otherwise the option won't appear. If everything looks correct, navigate to Multiview from the Channel Options menu. You're now ready to add extra panels. Now you add and arrange the panels. Press Add Panel and pick Channels, Apps, or an HDMI input for each slot because Multiview supports mixed sources. Use the arrow keys to move between panels, then press OK to swap or hold to resize. This lets you emphasize what matters most. Once panels are placed, set audio focus so you hear one stream or toggle audio mixing if you need multiple sounds. Take a moment to save the layout so it recalls next time. Finish by saving your Multiview layout and testing it. Change channels inside a panel and verify audio switching works quickly. If you notice lag, dropouts, or blank panels, reboot the Xfinity box first and confirm HDMI cables and network connectivity are solid. Poor bandwidth causes most issues. If the Multiview option doesn't appear at all, make sure your subscription includes it and then contact Xfinity support. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves account or feature activation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.